Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Shrivani. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please do subscribe it right away so that it will send you the day-to-day uploads. And the reason that I'm making this video for today is to make sure how important the communication is in this today world, which is so competitive and so hard to crack anything that you really wanna get something out of it. So before I'm starting this video, I would like to confirm that I make this video completely in English so that you'll not be having any confusion of converting myself into Telugu, because I've got a comments regarding this that please go with either one language, it is either Telugu or English. The only reason I convert myself to Telugu or English is I want to reach to each and everyone who is watching this video, so that it might be helpful even a 1% out of it, which makes me so happy out of that. The reason for making this video today is I've seen the comments through whatever the videos I get. The people are really hunger for getting a job and cracking an interview after they give it, because it's not very easy to crack the interview of whatever we go in, because the questions that the interviewer asks will not be expected in the way we think, right? He might ask something or the other in which it reaches our expectations, which are beyond out of it. So I want to make this video for the people who are really hunger for it, and I have the intention to help the people who are really searching something out of it and get a job. I wish everyone will get a job one day and also get succeed in their life. So let's start this video for today. The thing is, we're lacking somewhere, or we're lacking behind is we're just focusing on our distractions rather than our improving something. Distractions will definitely kill us one day, whereas improving day by day will definitely give success one or the other fine day, which need to be done consistently without any procrastination in between of it, right? So let me get into this video. Let me get into the topic of this. The first thing, to invest yourself. Spending time and investing time are both different entities. Like they're both different things. Spending time is nothing but you're just watching it and not getting anything out of it, or not learning anything from that. But investing time is something that you will really learn and implement that, right? When you learn something, if you're learning a word each day of English word, then not only learning but you are implementing in a communication or day-to-day language that really helps you and fetches you something in one or the other day, giving your best result and making your English very fluent when you're speaking. So the first thing that I would like to say is LSRW. To follow LSRW: listening, speaking, reading, and writing. Whatever you listen, whatever you listen, active listening is very much important, which makes you to push forward and improve your communication in English. Listening, speaking. The more you speak, the more you get. The more you speak with yourself. There's no specific that, or there's no mandatory rule that you need to have a companion, or you should have one to speak. It's really not that mandatory. If you have a passion to learn something that you're willing to, you will definitely do it by yourself, no matter whom you are. I'm not speaking with anybody in this room. I'm just making a video like this. In the way you record yourself, you make progress of it. Definitely it will be progressing, and you'll be achieving it one day. So LSIW is one thing that you can implement, which helps in communicating English. So following some Instagram pages, we are so busy in scrolling our reels, scrolling our shorts, and getting engaged in different platforms. Then why not we follow something that is useful and efficacious, which brings best out of that, and we become best from whom we are. It's not that we are comparing from us with other selves, it is comparing from our with ourselves. That is what it mandates, right? So what if you follow some Instagram pages which is useful to learn your communication and build up your day-to-day vocabulary? It's something important that you just be being on that vocabulary is not something good. It's to make it advanced, what you make professionally very nice and very authentic towards whatever doing. So next is improving your pronunciation. Whatever you learn, even the little thing, make sure that you're pronouncing it correctly, making fake focusing and emphasizing on that particular thing. Next is active listening. The more you listen, make sure you turn on your subtitles, English subtitles, and learn to listen more to the English videos. If you're willing to improve your English communication, that makes you automatically to listen that by continuously listening to that videos, automatically you'll come up with that particular slang which makes best out of it, and you will be surprised by yourself that this is improvement that I got so far. Try and check how improved you are from previous day to this day or the current day. And the next one is read carefully, record yourself. There's nothing wrong in recording yourself. There's nothing getting charged, right? You'll not be charged for recording yourself and listening to you. Now I'm making this video and I'll just definitely check whether this went good or not, whether I just spoke very good English or it was very nice or not. Like, what am I speaking is not important at the gradual stage. At the gradual stage, eventually you'll definitely improve it. Whatever things you do, it will really make you learn something out of it. But if you not do, or if you don't start something out of it, what is the thing that you're going to learn? So start before thinking it. If you think, implement it. It's not just thinking and without doing an action. Both should simultaneously or parallelly should meet each other, should go line by line, or should go parallelly. That could fetch results and bear consequence of whatever you think it to be. Next is mistakes. People are afraid of making the mistakes and what other people will think about me if I speak in English. Let them think we are doing an overaction, whatever, that doesn't even matter. If you're really willing to learn, do it by yourself. Don't think about others. If you're really willing and if you're bothered about what others think, you're who is lacking behind. So understand your importance, focus on yourselves. You're more worthy enough to you. So start making mistakes and learn out of it. Just making mistakes isn't enough, but how much you're learning from that mistakes is what really matters in your life. Mistakes make you learn. Do mistakes and correct those mistakes and not to repeat it again and again. So start speaking and start recording yourself, which really makes you improve yourself. Now, if you're wrong, if you're mistaken, for example, I'm in the room sitting alone. As a gradual stage, as a beginner, you'll be saying in the way you want, like not forming a good sentence or a proper sentence. I'm in the room sitting alone. By mistake, you're mistaken that, and if you correct that sentence, it would be I'm sitting alone in the room, which would be better than the previous sentence. So why don't you think of improving yourself day by day by doing mistakes? It's something that will get you, that will shine you up one day. Try to do this, and these are only tips, or these are only things that I want to you to really implement in day-to-day life that will really improve your communication. Let me take an example of the best thing that I make videos on. For example, medical coding is something people get very good pay or good packages about it. And one of the comment that I've seen is, will they make us learn English? If if the reason is making you learn English, what is the purpose of he's hiring for? He's hiring you to do a job to be done that sent by his client. Then what is the purpose of making you to sit there and learn English? He's not there for you to make English, for make you to learn English. He's something that he is prepared and he's hiring you because you need the job to be done timely manner. Medical coding is something you need to have a thorough grip or thorough understanding in communication with good English communication skills and good knowledge of understanding English. That is when you can code the charts. We'll be given with medical coding charts in which you need to learn it. What is present, past, future. You should know it very well, and you should have that communication skills which will really help you. Not only in that particular sector, but wherever you go and diverse yourself in different paths, you will definitely be the part, and you will be definitely be shining and get unique between the people. Be unique between the people. So he is hiring you to code the charts, not to make you learn English. He does not pay you that simple, right? So start focusing on English and communicate with others, which will really, really bring a change in you. So this is the video that I want to make this today. If you have any doubts, please ping me in the comment section so that I will definitely be replying that. For more, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.